so now we are going to see how to get a statistical information about our data. And this is of course very important to get some idea about the data which you are using. If you want to get the maximum value in each and every column, the minimum value, the standard deviation, the mean, the mode, this is going to give you an idea about the data which you are going to use for your project. Let's start. To get an idea first about a general idea about each and every column, we can use the scribe method. The scribe method will give me a list of all the values related to all the columns. Let us try it and see what it will return. So in our data, I'm going to apply the scribe, and this is what is going to return. Here we notice that it is returning 3 columns while my data is actually of 4 columns. So we notice something. What we conclude is that for a string column, it is not going to calculate or apply any statistical calculations. It's going only to return for the columns which is integer or float. So what do we have here? We have the mean for each and every column. We have the counts, how many values we have in each and every column. We have, the standard deviation, values for every column, the minimum. We have a 25 percentile, or the quartile, the second quartile. That what is the meaning of 25%? That means 25% of the data is below 56 for the temperature. 25% of the data is below 54 for the humidity. And same also here, we have 50% of the data is actually less than 62, and for the humidity is less than 58. So 50% of the data is less than this value. And we have here the maximum value for each and every column. This is how to get a general information for all the columns. But now let us assume that you are interested on getting statistics values for a certain column. Let us see how to do that. So to do that, we need to start with a variable name, and then after that I will mention the column. And then we can use some methods, like for example, I can use maximum. And let us compare this result of what we have actually received from the scribe. So the maximum value for temperature, it was 89. So this is actually how to get only a particular or a specific statistical information. Let us assume I want to get also for the power, I want to get the mean. So it is 63.55. So let us see the mean. It is 63.55, exactly the same. So similarly also, I can go ahead and I can have also for the humidity, we can have the median. So this is actually the median. Median is not available here. It's not actually going to be returned because of the scribe, but median is one of the ways to explore the data. Now let us assume that I want also to apply something, or I want to get some information about the data which is available in a string, as a string data type. So that is actually motion, and what we can use, we can apply mood. So what happen is when I am using mood, it is going to return the most frequent value in this data, or mostly available is no, right? So no is the value which is mostly repeated here in this column. That's why it is returning no. So this is also one of the useful statistics which you can get from your data using Pandas. It's going to help you a lot, especially on handling the missing values. So like this, we have also count, we have also standard deviations, we have many, but this was just an example on how to get statistical data or information on your data.